Atmanirbhar Bharat, the foundation of a Viksit Bharat, a vision of an India that is strong, self-reliant, and developed by 2047. Atmanirbhar Bharat means building in India and for the world, creating jobs, empowering industries, and transforming India into a global hub of innovation and growth. Guided by the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, this is not just a policy or an initiative, it is a national resolve. A resolve for strength, dignity, and confidence in our own capabilities. It inspires every sector: water, energy, infrastructure, manufacturing, and digital innovation to grow with indigenous capability and strategic autonomy. For over 38 years, CIMCON has been aligned with the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat, building technology that strengthens India's growth, sustainability, and self-reliance. We believe India's progress must be powered by innovation that is designed, developed, and built in India, by Indian minds for India's future. Our work spans sectors that define the nation's development. In water management, our impact flows across the nation. Under the Jal Jeevan Mission, CIMCON has empowered over 5,000 villages with IoT-enabled smart water solutions, bringing automation, transparency, and sustainability to every level of water distribution. Across multiple states and decades of deployment, we have automated and maintained large-scale water supply systems, including over 21 years in Uttarakhand and more than 18 years in Chandigarh, along with projects across Himachal Pradesh, dams, canals, and irrigation networks across India. In smart infrastructure, CIMCON's intelligent street lighting solutions power some of India's most modern landmarks. From Mumbai's Atal Setu to Gift City, Gandhinagar, and cities like Vadodara and Kochi. These systems enhance energy efficiency, safety, and intelligent urban management. In industrial automation, we proudly serve India's leading public sector enterprises, ONGC, Indian Oil, and GAIL. Through cathodic protection systems, remote monitoring, and smart remote panels, we safeguard national assets and support India's critical energy infrastructure. And across all these deployments, every system generates data, but true value comes from intelligence. CIMCON leverages AI and machine learning to power smarter infrastructure. With our digital twin, we create a real-time digital replica of physical assets, enabling continuous monitoring, predictive insights, and optimized operations. Complementing this, our video analytics analyzes live video streams to detect intrusion, vandalism, animal movement, and waterlogging in real time. With real-time monitoring, automated reporting, intelligent alerts, and performance tracking, operators gain complete visibility and faster response. CIMCON is building infrastructure that is not just connected, but intelligent and future-ready. The hardware, software, and control intelligence are conceived, engineered, and manufactured in India. Because at CIMCON, we believe self-reliance begins with self-innovation. At CIMCON, our people carry this vision from design rooms to the field every day.
Designed in India,
built for Indian conditions,
proudly made in India.
We deliver what we promise.
Technology with purpose, built to last.
We stay for long run.
Field tested, proven.
we take responsibility. We stay accountable.
Execution matters.
Infrastructure we can trust.
Every project matters.
Innovation that stays.
Nation building every day.
Trust is built over time.
Thinking for India first.
We stand by our system.
From design to delivery, we own it.
That's Atmanirbhar Bharat at CIMCON.
Engineered by Indian mind.
Technology alone does not build a nation, people do.
Today, CIMCON is entering its next phase of innovation. Harnessing artificial intelligence, machine learning, and IoT, we are shaping the future of automation across multiple verticals. Our strong foundation of R&D experts, software and firmware specialists, digital twin professionals, and hardware innovators drives this vision forward. With manufacturing units and offices across India, we continue to expand, powered by the brilliance of Indian engineers. Digital twins, smart dashboards, and next-generation controllers, all indigenously designed and built in India. At CIMCON, we are proud partners in India's growth story. With every innovation, we move closer to a shared vision, a Viksit Bharat by 2047.